Indian publishing houses in India are definitely doing really well. The market is huge, but they are paying a lot of taxes in India. The corporate tax rate is very high, personal tax rates are very high, and we have GST as well on few goods and services. Now, when we move global, and if we are talking about UAE, especially Sharjah Publishing City, we don't pay any tax, corporate tax in free zone. There is no personal income tax or capital gain tax in UAE. If we talk about free zones in UAE, you don't pay any tax on the goods or services provided from UAE on the qualifying income. So I think there's a very big opportunity for Indian publishers to move to UAE, establish their business from the free zone facilities, and at the same time structure it in a manner that they don't pay any taxes in India, and whatever profits they are making, which is taxed in India, if they make in UAE, they don't pay any tax on that. So that profit becomes reinvested, that gives them more growth, and they can expand globally, in fact, even better. See, UAE, I think, is a place where everybody from India especially wants to move to or establish business in, because when we compare Indian taxation with UAE taxation, I think that is the first thing which attracts Indian investors, Indian businessmen. In India, we are paying 25% or 22% corporate tax. The personal tax rate goes up to 30%, in fact, even more if we add surcharge and cess. If at the same time, same capital, we are investing in UAE, you are not paying any tax. You are not paying any corporate tax. You are not paying any dividend distribution tax. You are not paying any personal tax on the salaries people are getting. You are not paying any capital gain tax on the capital assets like real estate or gold if you are selling. So I think UAE is a place where every Indian investor or every Indian businessman wants to move to and establish, and especially the free zone facilities, because free zones are designed specifically for different industries. Like we are talking about Sharjah Publishing City, that is specifically designed for your publishing houses. They have facilities like printing, your translation services, e-commerce activities, and a lot of activities which are needed, content creation and everything which is needed for publishing houses in UAE. It's a great experience, I think, being in a room with so many intellectual people, so many publishing houses, CEOs, CFOs, and people from Sharjah Publishing City. It was a great event. I've learned a lot. I've learned about so many authors and the shift from, publishing to AI, which is not kind of affecting the publishing houses. It's great to see that. So overall, it was an amazing event.